Good morning friends, welcome back to bharatcoders. So in this video I am going to talk about how to make any field as a read only in frappe. So let's get started. So let's go to switch to desk, and if you remember, like if you have watched my previous video, I have created one YouTube doc type. So if I try to create new YouTube document, so these are the fields like which I have created: employee field, employee name, this is a link field, item it's also a link field, and this is a select field, this is a posting date. So now what I want is like this posting date. Now if you see, it is editable. If I want to change this posting date, I can change. Like now for February I have selected. If you want to change, you can change this date. But what I want is like whenever I am creating a document, I have selected given this default value. So by default, whenever you are on which date you are creating this document, that date it will automatically pick. So what I want, like user should not be able to change this field. So I want to make this field as a read only. So how we can do it? So for that I will go to YouTube doc type, and I will customize it, and you have to select the field, which field you want to make a read only. And if you scroll down, you will find one checkbox called read only. So if you check tick this checkbox read only and update it, and if you go now to YouTube list and refresh it and try to create new. Now if you see, this posting date is not editable. I am not able to edit it. This field has become a read only. So this is how in frappe, in for any field, you can make any field as a read only. So this is all about this video. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you, have a nice day.